Dishes that make you say, ew, or, yum. Welcome to Planet Platter. Here, we explore the most unique, surprising, and dare we say, weirdest dishes from all over the world. For every dish we present, a poll awaits you. Would you dare to taste it? Join the gourmets community. Share, vote, and see if your choices match up with the community's. At Planet Platter, we're all about global vibes. That's why we showcase dishes in different languages, making the experience truly worldwide. Got a surprising dish or a quirky personal recipe you want to share? Let us know. Send us your photos and stories. Your suggestion or unique recipe might be the topic of our next video and poll. Ready for an unmatched culinary adventure? Subscribe, turn on notifications, and become part of our journey. Let's savor the world's flavors, one plate at a time. See you soon on Planet Platter.